Using just two simple words, you can become absolutely irresistible to any woman. Surprised. A short phrase has the power to completely change how women see you. Today, I'll reveal how a straightforward expression can drastically enhance your connections with women. These aren't magic words, but when used effectively, they can transform how others perceive you and how you interact with them. What makes these words so impactful is how they reflect confidence and intent. The best part, I'll show you exactly how to incorporate this strategy into your daily life. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support not only motivates me to create more helpful content for you, but also signals to the platform that this information deserves to reach others. So can I count on your support? Let's begin. A common mistake many men make is being overly accommodating or uncertain in their interactions with women. Phrases like "we can do whatever you want" or "I'm not sure, what do you think?" might seem harmless, but they can give off an impression of indecision. What you may not realize is that too much flexibility can undermine the confidence you project, which can quickly diminish a woman's interest. The key lies in two simple words that embody confidence, clarity, and leadership: I want. At first glance, this phrase might seem basic, but it signals decisiveness and an ability to openly express your desires. By saying "I want," you're not merely making a request, you're demonstrating leadership, an attribute that many women find deeply attractive. Now that you understand the power of these words, let's talk about how to use them in everyday situations. While saying "I want" is easy, the real impact comes from weaving it naturally into your conversations. For example, when asking a woman out, skip vague phrases like "if you'd like," "we could hang out sometime." Instead, be direct: "I want to take you to dinner this Friday. Do you see the difference?" This approach makes you come across as confident and self-assured, not someone seeking approval. Similarly, when initiating a conversation, avoid being timid or ambiguous. Instead, try something like "I want to get to know you better. How about we grab coffee this week?" This not only shows genuine interest, but also makes your intentions clear. Women find this honesty and confidence incredibly appealing. Before we move on, have you ever thought about how a single text could make a woman think about you constantly? Imagine sending a message so impactful that it leaves an unforgettable impression, whether she's already in a relationship or sees you as just a friend. These specific phrases are designed to tap into emotion and create a deeper connection. If you're curious, click the link below to learn how to craft such compelling messages and make her eagerly anticipate your next move. When you're in a relationship, using "I want" can help you express your feelings with clarity and without ambiguity. For instance, instead of saying "whatever you want is fine," try being assertive: "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. Let's plan something together." This demonstrates that you value your time together and are actively working to strengthen the relationship. That said, it's essential to balance confidence with respect. Using "I want" should never come across as demanding or self-centered. When done right, this phrase communicates strength and clarity without being overbearing. Always remember, it's not just about the words you choose, but how you deliver them. Speak with a tone that conveys respect and openness. By doing so, you'll leave a lasting and positive impression. That being said, using this approach without showing respect and consideration could easily lead to misunderstandings. Let's break it down step by step to make sure we avoid any missteps. Here's the key takeaway you need to keep in mind for this strategy to truly work. But before we dive deeper, if you're finding this insight helpful, drop a comment saying "I'm in." I'd love to see how many of you are ready to take action. Let me clarify, saying "I want" doesn't mean it's all about you, nor does it imply dismissing the other person's feelings or thoughts. It's not about dominating the conversation or dictating terms. Instead, it's about being transparent about your intentions while also leaving room for the other person to contribute. For instance, if you say, I'd love for us to have dinner tomorrow. It's clear and direct. But if she can't make it or prefers another day, you can respond with flexibility like I understand. How about Saturday instead? This strikes a balance between being decisive and respecting her preferences. It's essential to show that you know what you want without coming across as rigid. There's a delicate balance between being assertive and being stubborn. Women appreciate confidence and clarity, but being too overbearing can push them away. Crucially, this phrase isn't just about you. It invites her to share her preferences too. Being genuine and straightforward paves the way for an open and respectful conversation. This, in turn, builds a connection based on honesty and mutual understanding. Most importantly, how you deliver your message matters. It's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Your tone and attitude significantly influence how your message is received. You don't want to sound demanding or like you're giving orders. Instead, aim for a tone that exudes confidence while remaining approachable and open to her input. Now that you've got the gist of it, it's time to put it into practice. This is where the real change happens, through action. Here's a challenge: use "I want" 5 times a day this week. It doesn't matter whether it's in big or small situations. The goal is to start cultivating that inner confidence. Try it in conversations with friends, colleagues, or even in casual settings. You'll notice something interesting: people will respond to you differently. They'll see you as more decisive, respect you more, and might even feel more drawn to your energy. As we wrap up, here's a final thought. Don't let this remain just an idea in your head. Put it into action. Knowing the technique is only half the battle. You need to practice it daily. Drop a comment below sharing how you plan to use "I want" this week. Share an example or situation where you think this strategy would apply. Then, at the end of the week, come back and share your results. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. I hope you found this video insightful. If you'd like more tips like this, leave a comment saying, "I'm working on my best self." And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps support the channel and allows me to keep sharing valuable insights with you. Share your thoughts in the comments below and express yourself freely. Stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.